What's going on, guys? So we're back in the kitchen again today. We're making curry chicken and rice. So this is our finished product. Now let's show you how we got there. So first we get our chicken, and we want to cut the chicken in some small pieces. So while cutting the chicken, we will also want to remove these fatty parts, as we don't want to consume this. Alright, so after cutting the chicken into small parts, we're just going to give it a nice little wash. Now we're going to prepare our seasonings. This will definitely give the chicken the correct or the right flavor after seasoning it properly. So here we have our escallion. Just stripping it, removing the parts that we don't need. After adding scallion, we're just going to go ahead and prepare some green pepper or sweet pepper and onion, and we will add these as well. And of course, some scotch bonnet pepper. We will also add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. And some jerk seasoning, also by Maggi. And of course, we can't make curry without curry powder, right? So we're adding some curry powder here. We're using Easy Spice, but if you have Better Pack, that's also a good alternative. Now we just want to mix all this together, ensure all the chicken has all the seasoning, so that everything will be nice and flavorful. After mixing all the seasoning in with the chicken, you can allow this to sit for a while just to ensure that everything just soaks in. Or if you are pressed for time, you just go ahead and start cooking. So here we have our Dutch pot. You may notice we don't have any oil in the pot, as the chicken has quite a lot of oil. So that will definitely provide all the oil we need. While adding the chicken, we want to remove all the seasonings, as it will burn. We want to ensure that there's no seasonings at this point. Having added all the chicken, of course we cover the pot and check on it every now and again to ensure that there's no sticking. So we're just stirring it a little. Oh, by the way, have you subscribed as yet? Please do so and leave us a like. Smash that like button, okay? Now it's time to make our gravy. So we're adding water to the vegetables and seasonings that we had from before. Just ensuring that everything is mixed together. All the seasonings and the vegetables. Make it one nice mixture. Now it's time to add our gravy and all the seasonings and vegetables, making everything nice and lovely, really flavorful. We have also added 3 pieces of thyme. The more seasoning, the more flavor, and a little salt. Just gonna mix everything here. So always remember while cooking to check on your pot to ensure that nothing is burning and everything is going fine. So you may notice the chicken here, the color is a little off, it's a little white. So we're just going to go ahead and add some curry to bring up the flavor and the color. So now that we've added some more curry, we can see that the color has improved. So we're just going to allow this to cook a little bit more and should be good to go. Should be ready in no time. So we've come to the end of our video of another quick meal of curry chicken and white rice. Comment below if you are going to try this easy to make curry chicken and white rice. Let us know in the comment section below, and if you have any requests, let us know as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, click the bell, like, comment and share. One last thing before I go. If you're interested in learning how to cook Jamaican breakfast as well, please check out this video. It is linked in the description below. We show how to make fried dumpling, callaloo and saltfish, and fried plantain. Don't miss this video if you want to learn how to cook like a Jamaican. This is what I'm talking about. As you can see, we have callaloo, we have fried over yam dumpling, and of course fried plantain. And we have saltfish. So again, if you want to learn how to cook like a Jamaican, definitely check out this video. So remember, check the description for the link for this video. Very informative video of how to cook a Jamaican breakfast. Alright, so until next time,